Assalamu alaikum. Countdown, Book 2. Open page number 48. 22nd June, Monday. Page number 48. We have done subtraction before. Now we are practicing it again. Subtraction, converting hundreds and tens. Look at this sum. Here, ones, tens, hundred. This is the sign of subtraction called minus. In minus, we cut the lines. Always we find the less number in answer in subtraction. Start from one side. Start from right side. 2 is the smaller number and 5 is the bigger number. Not possible to subtract 5 from 2. So, 2 need one more. Take the borrow from 4. Take tens plus 2, make it 12. When we are taking tens here, we will write the back number of 4. The back number of 4 is 3. First, we will solve the ones column. It needs 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 5. Start with the ones column. I told you before that you will start from the ones column, start from the right side. First convert 110, this is the 110, into tens 1. We will take the tens from tens column, tens to 12. 12 minus 5 and write the back number of 4. 12 minus 5, the answer is 7. Next, convert 100 into tens. Now, we solve this column, ones column. Then, we are solving tens column. Take tens from 100. Make it 13. 13 minus 5. The answer is 8. Subtract the tens column. First, we subtract the ones column. Then, we subtract the tens column. Lastly, subtract the hundreds column. First ones column, then tens column, then hundreds column. When we took tens from hundreds column and we make 13 here, the before number is left here. We will write 2. 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. 187 is the answer. Page number 49, 22nd June, Monday. Subtraction, converting hundreds and tens. Look at the previous page. Follow Tiger's steps to complete this. A. Start from right hand. Start from ones column. 5 minus 7. 5 is a smaller number. 7 is bigger number. So, take borrow from tens. 15. Make it 15. Take tens from here. 10 plus 5, 15. Make it 15. When we are taking 1 tens, so write the back number of 7. 15 minus 7. Draw 15 lines. Cut 7 lines. 8 lines are left. After ones, we will solve tens column. Here 6 is left. So 6 is also a smaller number. And here 8 is written. So we will take tens from 100. Make it 16. 16 minus 8, make 16 lines, cut 8 lines, 8 lines are left. When we are taking 1/10 from 2 here, so 1 is left here, write this one down. The answer is 188. If here is no number, it means this is 0. So write the same answer down under the 100. The answer is 188. Start from one side. First digit is 2. 2 is the smaller number. 4 is the bigger number. Not possible to subtract 4 from 2. So make tens here. Tens plus 2, 12. 12 minus 4. We are taking 1/10 from here. So write here the back number of 4, 3. 12 minus 4. First we solve ones column. Draw 12 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines are left. Write under ones. 8. The next digit is 3. Small number again. 6 is the bigger number. So take 1/10 from 100. Make it 13. Write the back number of 3, 2. 13 minus 6. Now we have solved ones column, and second step we are solving the tens column. 13 minus 6. 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The next number is 6. 6 cut 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many lines are left? Count these lines now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines are left. Here is 2. No number is written here. It means 0. So we will write the same number in answer under the 100. The answer is 278. Option C. Ones, tens, 100. Start from one side. 1 is a smaller number. Take borrow from 5. Make it 11. Write the back number of 5. Solve this. 11 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. Now solve this column, tens column. First digit is 4. The second digit is 7. 4 is a smaller number. 7 is a bigger number. Take the borrow from 100. Make it 0. 14. Oh, 14. Draw 14 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Second number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. No number is here. It's okay. If you are not writing the number, or if you want to write, you can write here 0. The answer is 77. 6. T ones 0 8. Smaller number, take borrow from here, make it 10. Write the back number of 9 8. Draw 10 lines 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The next number 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 lines are left. Write here 2 under ones. 8 is a smaller number. 9 is bigger number. Take borrow from here. Make it 18. Write back number of 1. 18 minus 9. Draw 80 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lines, cut 9 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lines are left. No number is here, so it's okay if you're not writing the 0 here. If you're writing 0, it's okay. The answer is 92. Solve this sum by yourself. Thank you.